Hey now guys, CJ here with The Build Show, where I always talk about electrical, and this one's a little weird, but we're talking power to your toilets. Check this out. Let's dive in. Now, maybe not literally, but why is an electrician talking about toilets on The Build Show? I'm going to show you. This toilet's not your average toilet. They're getting very popular, I'd say, but look, it's got power, and I got a GFI back here. This toilet requires power, and I'm going to show you a few reasons why. We're actually in this brand new bathroom. Check this bad boy out. This toilet does everything. They're really popular overseas, and they're becoming more and more popular here. And so when I first stumbled across a customer request for a bidet, I can't remember when, a washlet, an automatic toilet, whatever you call them, they require a lot of power. This thing uses over 1,000 watts. And so we got a service call and they said, hey, our plumber or contractor installed a toilet and now our breaker's tripping. It's because these things use a lot of power. And a couple features that need the power is it's got a nozzle that comes out that has a heat element in it. That's the bulk of your power. Heated toilet seat, another big feature that takes some power, and then the lid automatically comes up and down. If you're tearing apart your bathroom or you're building a house and it's not on the plans, think about it, because you might want one in the future, and when it's all ripped apart and you got to get power back to the toilet, now's the time. Comes with a 6-foot cord, so it's super easy to install. Plumber takes care of his job. We come back, we install a GFCI protected receptacle because it's in a wet location. It simply plugs in, and then like I said, that 1,000-watt plus draw on these things, it's quite a bit of power. So don't snooze on it. Again, if you're building a house, factor it in maybe now in case you want to switch later. It's much cheaper to get a dedicated circuit during new construction. If it's something that you don't see on your plan set and you're considering it, maybe the architect missed it, capture those change orders early. We always talk about talking about every specification that goes into a job early. And again, make sure that when your electrician is prepping for this, that they're aware of the specs of the model you're installing, because again, it caught me off guard early on. I just didn't know a toilet would need a dedicated receptacle. You don't want to be plugging in your wife's blow dryer and you go into the bathroom and flush it and a breaker trips. So be aware of the specifications, consider it. Like I said, they're super popular and they need some power.